Good morning. Today is 16th of November 2022, and these are daily market analysis and market updates. Yesterday, we analyzed that we would like to see, like I told us yesterday, that yesterday we shouldn't expect this market to keep going down. We should be expecting a pullback this week. So, like I told us, if we should give this week a name, we'll call it a pullback name. So, we'll expect this actually dollar index, and this dollar index determines what happens to all the major dollar pairs, all the dollar pair, major pairs. All right. So we want to see this market pull back to this fair value gap here. All right. And once they come into this inefficiency here, then we'll start expecting them to push down again. That is what we'll be expecting. If you go straight up to a higher time frame, you will see, because I wouldn't like this to take too much time. So if you go back to higher time frame, you will see, like in daily, what the market gave us yesterday in daily. You see it? Market gave us this yesterday in daily. So two probabilities that will happen today is market need to open and trade back into the fair value gap created, then flush the low. I repeat, trade into the fair value gap that's created and flush the low. So we'll have this created and here, then we'll see have here and here. So we want to see this market open, then find a way, trade into this and flush this low down. Then if this happens, that means market will still come back, hit this other block, then find a way, come back into this level and then go down. So this is what we'll be expecting. So, but for today, the higher probability trade that we'll be expecting today is just like I told us that throughout this week, we want to see the market pull back to this level. So what we're expecting today is we should be expecting the market, or if there's any form of news or whatever, that will make the market to trade into this level. Anything from here to this level here, we should be expecting any reason to sell the market to the downside. So when they come here, you see a kind of a break of market structure to the downside, then we think of pushing the market to the downside to take away this down liquidity. Is actually on a daily time frame. It might take them long to finish this movement, but this is what we're expecting if market to become very, very volatile today. All right, so our analysis yesterday on dollar index still stands. Like I told us, we want to see this push to the upside, then the little pullback, push into this, then pullback, then possibility they get to this level. But then with what we have seen so far, they couldn't cover this place yesterday. That means today they can cover this place up, tap into this fair value gap and flush this low. Then when they get mitigated here, we see expecting to come back, tap into this before they flush down. So that is what we'll be expecting from this particular pair. Then if we go straight up to EURUSD, I told us this will happen yesterday. So we have seen this already. And based on what market has given to us yesterday, so we should also see what these guys, the footprint they've given us. So we'll have a gap here, we'll have a gap here. So, and also this. So market will open now, or would like the market to come back down, tap into this level, then look for a reason to flush above this level, tap into this OB, then possibly come back down here, then go to the upside. All right. So that is what we are also expecting here. And because we trade what we see and not what we feel, it's not about predicting what will happen in the market. It's about knowing what to do when the market has given you the footprint of what it wants to do. So if we take this thing out a bit, you will see that this high was not taken out. And there's liquidity resting here. So if I were these guys, I will find a way, first of all, to take away this high, all right? But being that this high has not been taken out, so they will come and tap into this level here, this FVG to take away this liquidity. And now they are inducing traders, those who are trading support and resistance, I'm talking about retail traders, to kind of put in their stop losses above this level while they are selling the market. So this is double top for them, and the double top is liquidity area. So we want to see them push down, tap into this fair value gap, then to the upside. Take away this liquidity. Once they tap here, they'll start reversing back. When they pull back into this fair value gap. Then from here, push into the upside. So that is what we'll be expecting from this particular pair. So our analysis still remain the same. If I may put this right, let me do it this right so you guys will get what I'm talking about. Tap into this. See about this. So okay, let me do it this way. Boom. Then this one come back down here. Then this one can then go up there. I think it's better like this. This is what we'll be expecting on daily time frame to happen. So we want to see them tap into this fair value gap here, go back, get mitigated here, and then find their way back down here, either with news or whatever they will call it. Then from here, we expect to see them go to the upside. So the movement still remain the same. All right. Then I want to talk about this. This one is GBPUSD. Now GBPUSD, like I said this today, these guys were able to give us this, so we still want to see them push to downside, then go to the upside to take away those liquidity to the upside. So it's something as what we just projected yesterday. So based on the market movement, we want to see them come here, then want to see them come to this level. So this is what we'll be targeting here based on what we're seeing. Right? Then the next one is we'll have gold. So like I told us yesterday, this was also at analysis. I was told us that this was going to happen. I want to see them push to the upside. All right. Now, if you watch here, you see that there's already a fair value gap. This level here was closed up. And for me to take this trade, I will be expecting to see this market come back down, tap into this level here, anything from this zone here, I will be expecting a push to the upside. Right? Good. This is what I would like to see, a push to the upside. Now, why I'm saying this is because market tells you what it wants to do, you only react to it. So here we'll say have a fair value gap here, and they use their money to push this market to the upside. So we still want to see them trade back into this level here. Then from here, we'll be going to the upside. So I will be expecting dollar to be a little strong today. Just like I told you guys, if you go to dollar index, you will see we'll still want to see them to be a little strong. So let them get a little strong. All right. But if you pull up here, come back down, then we'll have to go to the upside. So that's as we have analyzed on EURUSD too. So that is what we'll be expecting there. We want to see the guy go down here, then to the upside. Then we'll talk about this gold. So we want to see them pull down, to the also to the upside. And if we see these guys, take away this high and tap this level first, then we should be expecting it to sell down to this level. And that is why we do this update every single day. If anything changes, we'll let us know. So here also we have this. This was what we had yesterday. You see, market never moved yesterday. They're still holding the level because of this aggressive move. So here also we'll have a fair value gap. So we'll be expecting this guy to tap into this fair value gap. All right, to the upside. Right, tap in here to the upside. This is what I'm expecting. This is a lower time frame order block. So, and if you watch already, it has been mitigated here already on daily. So want to see them tap into this to this level, or possibly push it down to this, push it down to this level here, put to the upside. So my bias is I will be looking forward to see how to sell some of those major pairs today. Then USD CAD. Now USD CAD will have a fair value gap here. Okay, so this is what we want to see the market do. We want to see the market do this. Go to the upside, tap into this level here, then down, come into this level here, then find its way to the upside. So, but this is what I'm expecting to see this week. Okay, this is actually on daily time frame. So you know our bias right now that we'll be looking forward to be selling most of the pairs where most of the pairs where USD is a quote currency. So that is what we'll be expecting. I will be expecting to see them tap into this level. Once they come into this particular place, I will be expecting to set the market to the downside. That is what I'll be doing. So I'll be looking for break of market structure to downside. That's what I'll do. So I have a block here. So you don't just jump into a trade, you wait for market to give you what it wants to do, you react, you don't predict. So here also we'll have this. This was what we have on Swiss franc, right? So we have this, and what we'll be expecting here to see is we'll have this particular push straight into this level. So we would like to see them play into this zone. The analysis remain the same, just trying to update it. Trade into this zone, this fair value gap, this gap here. Once they tap into this fair value gap, I will be expecting them to do what? To come down. Depending on how long they can to take away this liquidity, to come down to this level. This is what also I will be expecting from this particular pair. Good. Then another one again here is NZDUSD. I don't want to take time on this analysis. NZDUSD have done well, so I'm taking this out first. And we'll have this. So I'll be looking forward to see them pull back, right? I like taking trade at a discounted entry when they pull back to this level here, then to the upside. I'll expect them to pull back down, come down here, right? This fair value gap here, or this one here. So when they come back, I should expect a push to the upside. Okay. So, but if they go up and hit this first, I will expect them to come down then to go to this particular level. So depending on what they give me first, but this is what I will be expecting. I would like to see them find a way to come to downside first before I will join them to the upside. So we're watching two levels here. I'll be watching this particular level here and also here. Okay. These are the two levels I'll be watching here and here. These are the key levels I'm watching to see my setup, all right, to go to the upside. Okay. So that is what I'm expecting to see on this particular pair. And most of these pairs, if you go to 4 hours, you will see the refined key levels or zones Now, this one has already hit this level, Nasdaq. So what do we expect? We expect to see them pull back, all right? They need to pull back, then to go to the upside. So this one is this 100% delivery of what was projected yesterday. So if we go to lower time frame, you can know what you're looking at, because like I told you guys, markets do not reverse, or they're taking away the previous high. So this high was been taken out, and it has to an extent got mitigated by an order block here. All right. So if you check your daily OB, that's gotten mitigated by this particular OB here, which is this. So we want to see them come back down, tap into this zone, then go to the upside. Whereas because the market is still building up, still inducing up short. So yesterday, the market just gathering contracts. Some person who have been trapped here are still expecting market to reverse, but we want to see them pull back a little, then boom to the upside. That is just it. So they would like to go to the upside to take away liquidities that is still racing to the upside. So our bias is still going to be on a buy, but then we would like to see a pullback first before we buy. So this is also under one we're expecting. So we're seeing this, want to see this come back down, tap into this level, this FVG here, to go to the upside. So go back to daily. We can see this on daily. So on daily, so we have a fair value gap here. So we'd like to see this market come back to this fair value gap before I start looking for a way to go to the upside to take away this liquidity and get mitigated by the particular order block that is here. Then another thing again I want to talk about here is USDJPY, right? USDJPY is doing well. So we want to see USDJPY find a way, trade into this particular fair value gap, FVG. So trade into this, then we'll be expecting them to come down to take away this sell stop liquidity that is here. All right, hit it up here, take away people's stop loss, then hit this level. Then from here, we can now expect them to trade into anything they have here, which will be fair value gap forever, to further push down to this level. This is what we'll be expecting from this week. But then updating you for today is just for you to look for a buy to the upside, tap into this level, fair value gap, then tick for it before you start looking for a sell, which might happen either tomorrow or today, depending on what we have in the market. But then since market did not move yesterday, we are still positive that market is going to move today. So to fix this right now, we can take this up and leave it like this. Okay. Good. So, but anything from this level here, you start looking for a sell market to take away this level, take away this particular stop losses that will be down here, which what we call the liquidity. Then another one again here is GBPJPY. GBPJPY is performing very well. So, and if you look at the daily time frame, of course, you will not see any lapses or fair value gap. But if you go to 4 hours, let's see if you can see something in 4 hours. Of course, we're seeing something for us. In 4 hours, we'll have market enter this fair value gap and take away this liquidity. And look at just as we projected that it will go to the upside. So it's going to the upside right now. And where is it headed to? It's headed to this level here. So anything from this place, I'll be looking for to set the market to downside. Yeah. So from here, I'll look for to set the market to downside. So I'll find a way here to go to downside to take away this level. So this level will be a fairly first take profit target. So it'll be coming down. Yeah. So that's it. This is what we're expecting from this particular pair. I think this is what we draw the curtain on our analysis today. And remember, don't overtrade, don't over leverage your accounts, don't add to a negative trade. Always keep your trades simple, all right, and don't overanalyze. Don't overanalyze. Thank you very much. I remain blessed. I expect liquidity to be in the market, volatility to be in the market today. and possibly tomorrow, because yesterday was a trapping day for them. So today, market will take a true move. All right. Thank you very much. I remain blessed. I remain Godwin Emmanuel. Please help us to subscribe, share, and like this particular channel so we can hit 500 subscribers soonest. Thank you very much. I remain blessed.